Good morning, no. Hello, 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 hello. How are you? Good morning, dear children and dear parents. Welcome back to our English class for today. Buenos días, niños. Muy buenos días, papitos. Espero se encuentren super fine. I'm really happy to see you today. Espero que les haya encantado el viaje, así como a mí me fascinó. Y que estemos preparándonos para nuestra evaluación del viernes. ¡Yeah! Bueno, espero que podamos repasar los temas y podamos recordar el vocabulario que hemos trabajado a lo largo del año. Obviamente no va a ser todo. El día lunes se les envió el vocabulario que es específico y pues yo voy a trabajar sobre ese. Entonces, no siendo más, comencemos. Vamos a ver un pequeño video de Disney, of course, about colors y ya regresamos.
It's morning in the jungle. The leaves are green. The water is blue. The flowers are pink. What beautiful colors! What a beautiful day! Mowgli is happy to live in the jungle. There are colors everywhere. But when night comes, everything is blue in the jungle. Good night. What do you see in the jungle? Elephants! 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 A gray elephant. Monkeys. Brown monkeys. Bananas. Yellow bananas. Coconut. A brown coconut. Leaves. Green leaves. And flowers. Flowers everywhere. These flowers are pink. This flower is white. The jungle is beautiful. Now, repeat. There are colors everywhere. These flowers are pink. This flower is white. When night comes, the jungle is blue.
Colors here, colors there, many colors here and there. Colors here, colors there, colors, colors everywhere. Blue, blue, the big blue sky. Gray, gray,
Gray elephants.
white, white, pretty white flowers. Colors here, colors there, many colors here and there. Colors here, colors there, colors, colors everywhere. Yellow, yellow, yellow bananas. Brown, brown, funny brown monkeys. Black, black, happy black seals. Colors here, colors there, many colors here and there. Colors here, colors there, colors, colors everywhere.
Okay, now after watch the video, we are going to review the colors. So here I have the colors and the name of the color. Okay, so the color is yellow. Yellow, the color is yellow. Here the color is yellow. So which things are yellow? So I have some here. I want to show you. Okay. So we have the sun is yellow. Sun is yellow and orange too. This ladybug is yellow. And of course, the bee has got yellow on it. Yellow. The color is yellow. Excellent. Yay. Okay, next color. We're going to put on this here. This here. Okay. What is this color? The color is red. Red. The color is red. Which things are red? Which things are red? The ladybug. Okay. The ladybug is red. Excellent. Also, I have a strawberry and an apple. Yay! The color is red. Excellent. Next color. The color is blue. Blue. The color is blue. Which things are blue? Blue. The color is blue. Which things can be blue? Blue. This little house is blue. Excellent. The color is blue. And this dragonfly, look at the wings, las alas are blue. Excellent. So, also we have the water is blue. Excellent. Water. Great job. The color is blue. Good. Okay, now, sorry. What is the color? The color is green. The color is green. So let's see which things are green. Okay, green. So we have here the grass is green. Oh my gosh, excuse me. The grass is green. This grasshopper, este grillito, is green, the grasshopper, and the leaf is green. These things are green. Excellent! Yeah. Green. Now the other color, orange. The color is orange. Orange. The color is orange. What things can be orange? So we have a pumpkin. Excellent. A basketball ball. And also we have orange, of course. Yeah! These are orange. The color is orange. Now we finish with the review with the colors, and we are going to review the Green Planet vocabulary. So let's continue. Let's continue with the review. So, Green Planet. What is it, babysaurios? It is a butterfly. Excellent. Butterfly? No! Silly teacher. Ay, Dios mío. Oh my gosh. It is a bee. Excellent. Bee. It is a bee. Great job. Ahora sí, it is a bee. Bee. It is a bee. And what is it? It is an ant. Ant. It is an ant. Ant. It is an ant. Great job. It is a beetle. It is a beetle. Excellent. Beetle. It is a beetle. So look at what is the color of the butterfly. Yellow. Excellent. And the wings, las alas son blue. Great job. What is the color of the ant? The ant is gray and white and black. Excellent. And what is the color of the beetle? Is gray and black. Excellent. Next one. What is it? It is a tree. Excellent. Tree. It is green and has got red fruits. Good job, babysaurios. Tree. It is a tree. Yeah. Okay. Here I have only one. Flower. It is a flower. What is in singular? Cuando solo hay una is flower. When I so many, cuando hay varias, are flowers. Okay. And this one, what is it? It is a butterfly. But first, what is the color of the orange, in yellow, and green? Excellent, the flower. What is it? It is a butterfly. Yeah. The butterfly has got many colors. Has got yellow, blue, green, pink, purple, and orange. Butterfly. It is a butterfly. Good job. And we have water. Great job. And also we have got rocks. Yeah. Okay, this is everything about nature or Green Planet vocabulary. I hope that you like it and you remember this vocabulary, okay? It's important that you check the flashcard that I sent to you before and practice the vocabulary. Bueno, niños, bueno, papitos, espero se hayan divertido con el vocabulary, se hayan acordado de el vocabulario. Recuerden que debemos repasar las flashcards que yo les envié y de acuerdo a los temas que también les envié el día lunes, o se les envió el día lunes. No siendo más, me despido, pero antes los voy a dejar con un video about pets. ¿Listo? Entonces, como ya no nos volvemos... Sí, como ya no nos volvemos a ver, sino hasta la otra semana, porque ya es la evaluación, entonces por favor recuerden repasar de la presentación que les envié de las flashcards los members of the family. No sería nada más y nos vemos the next class. Bye bye.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. I have a pet. He is a dog. And he says woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof.
I have a cat. I have a pet. She is a cat. And she says meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.
I have a mouse. I have a pet. He is a mouse. And he says squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, squeak. Woof, woof.
Meow, meow. Squeak, squeak.
I have a bird. I have a pet. He is a bird. And he says tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet.
I have a fish. I have a pet. She is a fish. And she says glub, 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 glub. Glub, glub.
I have a lion.
A lion?
I have a pet. He is a lion. And he says roar, 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 roar. Roar, roar.
Tweet, tweet. Glub, glub.